Happy birthday na anak Puknot. Binabati ka namin ng Tres Marias na happy birthday at I hope you'll have many more birthdays to come at sana hindi ka magbabago at sana you continue to share your blessings and your talent to other people. Napakabait mo na bata at mapagmagalang at motto kondasai, don't stop believing, continue to do your best and reach your goal. Happy birthday ulit Puknot at sana biyayaan ka ng anak soon kayo ni Angel. Huwag kayong magbabago sa isa't isa. At dahil marami kang binibigyan ng mga kanta, bibigyan din kita ng kanta Puknot. Kung kayo'y mag-aasawa, pipiliin nyo kagaya ni Baby Puknot. Love you Puknot. Ingat, God bless. Ito yung ninang mo na nagmamahal sa'yo. Love you.